Hey, ladies, just wanted to send a quick message about yesterday. I really appreciate the effort and the composure you showed, and just the thinking on the court that you're doing between the guards making really good decisions, looking into the post, not forcing things, post players going up strong with the ball, forwards rebounding, attacking the rim on the drive. Just really good stuff and stuff I'm really proud of, and I hope you are as well. You played a state championship level team. I really think they're going to win D2 this year. And you did well. They've held five straight opponents to under 24, including Thetford, who's favored to win D3. So they're a good defensive team, and I think you held your own as well as any other teams doing against them this year. So I hope you enjoyed today's snow day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bus times are 3:45 and 4 o'clock. And look what I found yesterday. So I will bring these after the game on tomorrow night if anybody wants one. Take care. Bye.